Oh, hey guys, and Meepcity. Hey, today I'm using my voice because I'm lazy. Well, yeah, I am. Okay, don't judge me. Anyway, so when I got hacked, a lot of weird outfits came to my thing. So this is some of my outfits that got hacked, and the people that put on. Yes, they did waste a lot of music coins, so I'm scared what they did to my house. Look, gang. What the heck? Oh, yeah, all these outfits are super ugly and weird. I kind of like this outfit, but I just want to take off the devil ears. So I'm gonna keep this outfit, but I'm gonna take off the devil ears. And I wish I could change that leg. That's ugh. Alright. So we're gonna change the face. Yeah, it's better now. I wish I could change it more better with the leg, but then I would take off the little thing, the little skeleton thing. Well, yeah, I kind of don't like this face either, but it's fine. It's fine right now because no one's gonna look at my outfit. Hopefully, okay. So let's see how my. Whoa! Everything is so new. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the hacker actually helped me and wasted all my Meepcity coins. So what I was saving up I was saving up for one of those super huge houses. Oh wow, everything in here is so new. Nothing in my room is new. But wait, what? This and this is weird. Ew, pink. Why is my room pink? They brought this and this and this new computer. My room was just this and this and this and just this Meepcity crib. But now it's so full. Oh my gosh, I wasted so much. And now, huh?
You come outside, put on a hat.
Hey. Now my bathroom is uglier. This toilet was not green. Gross. I gotta get a new toilet in time.
Peter, what you do with the phone? The other phone.
What other phone?
Huh?
It's upstairs in my room. What? I think I like better with this face. No, this face. And now I need to change. Okay, now I need to change this no. I don't like this. And I do definitely not like that fat leg. It's super ugly, but I have to keep it for now because there's no way I can change it. For back, is there anything for the back? Ooh, that's my last friend. Oops. Okay, so now I have 200 friends, and now I'm on friend limit. Okay, now. Oh, that's plus. I was gonna buy this. I wanted to get this, but it's plus. Yay. I don't like the eye patch anymore. Oh, my friend just joined me. Yay. Okay. So I need something for my mouth because I do not like this eye patch anymore. Actually, I do not like the eye patch anymore. Ew. I don't like any of these. Okay. Okay, so the best thing would to be do, and then change my face. I have a lot of edit, cause yeah, I don't like that face. Maybe the only one I have for now. So, oh, when I do that face, I actually yawn. Um, I like this one. I'm not really sad, but they wasted so much. I'm actually kind of happy and kind of mad because my house looks ugly. It's not supposed to be ugly. Oh, see what they brought. Oh, Isabella looks cute. Not Isabella doesn't look too bad. Oh well. Why does she have a hat? Let's change Isabella. Dress up. So it looks here that I brought a lot of stuff for my Isabella, and she shouldn't be wearing these hats. Isabella! Dang it. Call me. I kind of want her and me matching, so let's change my avatar. Okay, so this will take me a long time, so like, as well. I have to find the bunny mask. Yay. So I just search bunny. So bunny. Yeah. None of these are bunny mask. So okay, we need to go to the meat shop right now because I need to get Isabella something. And I am not going to leave her like this, okay? Come on, let's go, Isabella. We need to go get you something new today. And yep, I'm going the wrong way, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a shortcut. Come on, Isabel, we're gonna find you something new. We're gonna get Isabel, and then I'm gonna have to go. There's a possibility I will go racing after I get Isabella something. Have the emoji. Okay, so home improvement. I can't see it. Oh, here we are at the pet shop. Why am I at the toy shop? I have a bunch of toys already. Have you even checked my toys? Bro, this is cool. This is, wait, did I just say bruh? What? Okay. This is so cool. It's a pencil. But sadly, they wasted a lot. I had 5,000 Meepcity things. And now they got wasted. Yay. But I love this pencil. I really loved it. Okay, anyways. Let's put this back up to the pet shop. Mm-mm. I may do a part 2 on this, okay. Shop. Meep clothing. I actually have to wear this probably. Well, if my Meep's gonna wear it, I'm gonna wear it. And Dominus hat for 2,000. Oh, that's awesome. Is there anything that I'm wearing? Here we go. But ew, no. Of course, I'm not getting that for my Meep. Okay, so I'm gonna say the cutest thing I'm gonna have to go for. that matches me, sort of. Damn, I'm gonna have to go all the way back. This. So I'm gonna wear this actually. Exit. Okay, I'm gonna wear it now. Okay, so I'm actually gonna wear it because she's wearing it. Oh no, she's not wearing it right now, but to wear it anyways. Why am I so blind and I cannot find it? Here we go. Now we can do our Meep Racing. Come on, we need to hurry. Because time limit's almost up. So if you guys comment down below if you have a recorder for me that does not do any time limit. And this one you have to pay for it to do as long as you want. That sucks. Okay, let's just go to Toy Box and let's get started. We go. Hurry up. 13, 14, 15. I have 3 more minutes left and then I have to do a part 2. Crap. Oh, frick. Okay, we need to hurry. Get this race over with. Get this done. Hopefully this timer does not go off. Hopefully. Oh, yay, I'm in the front. These are newbies. Wait till someone comes next to me. I just like waiting because I'm not a person that just uses it. Get you! I almost got her. Damn. Did I get her? Oh no, I could have used it on the ugly guy. Thanks for me for holding it, yay. Because that ugly girl just beat me now. These people have Robux. And people with Robux, I'm not sure if they have any talent than newbies. And I'm a noob, and that's a good thing. And yeah, I should stop. I went too far, probably. Okay, anyways, let's stop talking. Because I'm almost on time limit. Oh my gosh. Guys, my recorder's almost on time limit, and we need to hurry. Get over with this race. Get it done. What? Okay. And I need to get first place. Jeez, that girl's so flubby. Oh my gosh. No! No! Cannot get hit by this ball. Oh my gosh, we're almost at time limit. Oof, forget. Oh my god, oof. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oh my god. Oof, fire. I got final lap. Okay, 14, 15, 2 more minutes left. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I'm almost at time limit. No. Oh my god, guys. I'm so close to 1 more minute left. You guys may not see my screen right now, but it's Oh, 1 more minute left. Oh my gosh. Go to go. I need to get this freaking last round. I'm not even paying attention to the game. I'm paying attention to how much time. Guys, this is such a dumb game. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got 1 more minute left. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. Why did I calm down? Okay. Meepcity Racing is done. And bye, guys. Hope you had a good day. Bye.